Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you how to pair a Casambi Lepuk, and then use it to control your devices. To begin the pairing process we need to power it on. To do this, use the switch on the underneath of the Lepuk. Now that the Lepuk is on, open the Casambi app on your smartphone, and log into your network. Tap on More in the bottom right, and then on Nearby Devices. Now select the Lepuk from the list, and click on Add to Network. The pairing process will now begin, and may take a few seconds. When the device has been added to your network, tap on Back in the top left. Now select Switches from the list, and then the Lepuk. In this page you can see your battery level, and rename your device. You can also set a photo as the device's icon. If you tap on Details, you'll be provided with a comprehensive list of device information. Now let's configure the device to control our luminaires and scenes. Tap on Not in Use, next to the blue dot, to set what will be controlled in Channel 1. Once again, tap on Not in Use. We're going to set Channel 1, or the blue channel, to control a luminaire. Now tap on Luminaire, and select the light you want to control. Tap on Done in the top right to save your choices. Now let's set the yellow channel to control a scene. Select Control Scene, and then Back in the top left. Next tap on Scene, and select which scene to control. To allow your Lepuk to dim the scene, leave Disable Dimming unselected. Tap on Done in the top right to save your selections. When Use Toggle is selected, tapping the Lepuk will switch between on and off. If it's deselected, the button will only turn the device or program on. Now let's check out the Lepuk in action. To change channels, simply tilt. Turn the device controlled in the channel on or off, by simply tapping once on the Lepuk's touch surface. To increase the brightness, hold down. Once you've released, the next time you hold down, the brightness of the luminaire will decrease. Now we'll change to Channel 2, and activate our scene. Because we didn't disable dimming earlier in the video, we can also change the brightness of the scene. Please note that if the Lepuk is inactive for 6 seconds, it will automatically change back to Channel 1. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful, and we look forward to creating more videos like this in the future.